it's Rui here. I'm back with this week's video, and normally I would actually be filming tomorrow, which is my off day, but tomorrow I'm actually getting my booster shot and I just want to take it easy. And tonight, because I'm coming after work, my hair is kind of nice, I still have a little bit of makeup, so I decided to film the video today. And today's theme would be normal minimalist apartment tour. I say normal because I haven't really done anything to I guess, you know, make my place perfect and clean or anything like that, but also it's not the most messy that it's been. So this is kind of like generally how it would look if I'm being like somewhat average when it comes to maintaining my small minimalist apartment tour. Small minimalist apartment. So without further ado, let's start the tour. So first things first, we will start off in my bedroom. And it's the floor mattress, as my subscribers already know, and I've just folded the blanket a little bit. We'll move into my fridge area, I guess. Over there is just a bunch of miscellaneous items. And here's something that I'm actually a little bit excited about. I got this little diffuser. It was only like $3, but look at the little shells. Like, I love little shells. I miss, you know, going to an ocean and things like that. And also I felt like maybe my house didn't have any smell, and yeah, I don't know why. Like, I just really wanted to, I saw this, you know, and it was really cheap and I wanted to buy it. I saw a nice little touch and it smells really nice in my place, which is great. And if you see over here, you can actually see this plastic container. It's actually one of my like Ziploc containers. So it had like 3 little plastic compartments, but since I'm not really using them, I use one of them as like a storage, which I think is like slightly better than the plastic bag, which actually got a hole, so I got rid of it. But before, I used to have a plastic bag to put all of these items in there, but I'm not doing that anymore, so that's what's going on. And I guess we'll start the fridge tour right after, because it's right there. And over here you can see this is obviously food trash, but yeah, I still have some frozen meat here. And over here, yeah, it's my fridge situation. This is actually not food trash. This is cut up broccoli, and they're actually fresh, and this is a fresh trash bag. I know that's like a food trash bag, but I guess it's one of the hacks that I use. It's like I don't really need to buy containers because I already have like many like new trash bags. So I would keep like, you know, already cut up broccoli there. And then, yeah, I can just use that as like a container for the time being. And then when I'm done like eating all the broccoli, I can just use that as a food trash bag. So yeah, I don't even need to buy like a container for broccoli. I don't know, maybe it's a tip for some people, maybe it's just weird for others, but it is what it is. Yeah, and there's a little bit of carrot. I've been snacking on this carrot. It's a little silly, but yeah, you know, I think I just like to like chew on things sometimes, you know? But you know, it's better to chew on low calorie stuff like that, I guess. And then some, you know, side dishes. There's a little bit of kimchi that, you know, my parents gave me, which I'm very grateful for, because I do not know how to make kimchi. And I don't really feel like learning how to make it, you know? It's like, why do I gotta do everything? I think working is enough. And over here is white plastic bag, bunch of clothes in here. So these are the clothes that I would wear most often. And over here, it's just some suitcases. So these are the suitcases that I brought with me when I moved in here for my new subscribers. And any clothes that I don't wear, like summer clothes and books and things like that I don't really immediately need, or miscellaneous items, I actually keep in these suitcases. So they're very much part of like my minimalist apartment decor. They definitely serve a function. And as I mentioned before a couple times in my videos, you don't even notice the suitcases usually, and that's just like a really nice way to compartmentalize my space. Yeah. And these would usually like hang here, and they'll be like nice and dry. So I've already ran my work towels and laundry and stuff like that. So these I just need to put away to the side, like so. Weep, over here. So I can just fold them tomorrow. So that's usually when my apartment would get pretty messy over there. So yeah, that's that. And speaking of laundry, I guess we'll move into the kitchen. And as usual, you can see like my regular coat hanging right behind the door. The doorknob, that's where I hide the coat, so I can just grab it and go. There's my backpack. And we'll move into my kitchen. And these are the 2 shoes that I wear most often. I would usually just wear the sneakers when I'm working, but sometimes when I want to dress up a little bit, or like when I'm going out, I'll wear those boots. And these are used up plastic right here, so I had to buy new laundry detergent. This whole thing is 2.5 liter. I got fresh ones. They're only like $3 from Daiso, which is great. Yeah, and you know, it's right there, my new detergent. And this is the huge Daiso plastic bag that I would use to take all the towels and stuff back to work after I wash them at home. And here's some like sandals and stuff that I occasionally wear when I'm just going out. So I kept them in a plastic bag and kept them in here in the storage. Yeah, I mean, it's not the most prettiest thing, but you know, I don't know, I feel like it's some kind of life hacky thing. And this is how it's been looking for a while here on my counter situation. I have a cup of water. I'll usually drink water in the morning. I try to do it before I go. Yeah, because you know, I don't know, it's good to drink water. But yeah, I didn't buy this when I went to see, but excuse me, see my folks this Solar Korean holiday. They actually gave me this oil, which I was very happy about. I needed that. And now, like, you know, my folks, they already know that I don't really like being gifted stuff, but I do like being gifted things that I can eat and I can use up and things like that. So that was a very nice gesture of them. Here's another plastic container that you've seen a little bit earlier on top of the fridge. But I would usually, whenever I wash my spoon and fork, which I need to do, probably not gonna do it tonight, but I would usually keep them in here so they can dry like that. And then, you know, my knife, it's completely dry actually when you fold it. Yeah, that's what's going on. And yeah, as I said before, my laundry, there's towel and stuff, I need to hang them up. Over here, I'll show you my situation in here. I need to buy more toilet papers, as you can see, but yeah, this rice is running low because I've been eating dinner at home. Not today, I ate dinner at work, but I would bring like these rice bowls to work sometimes. And there's my Brita filter, and then this thing was also from my folks. I don't mind keeping them because they're actually pretty great for like broccoli meal prep. Like I'll put a little bit of water and then like boil it down here, and then I can make like a huge batch. So I was like, yeah, that's a nice gift. If I didn't need it, I would have gotten rid of it, but I do need it, so that was very nice. Yeah, just a bunch of masks. This Spam was also a gift, but I think I really want to try and veer away from pre-made meat as much as I can, but you know, if I really don't feel like cooking anything, then usually those are like a good excuse for me to cook, because I do like, you know, they do taste good sometimes. There's nothing there, as you know, and we'll move into my bathroom. Whee! And hello guys, this is my bathroom. And those are actually some treatments that I've brought from work, because I actually ran out of the orange treatment, as you saw them in the where I put the shoes and stuff like that. So that's actually from work. I wanted to try it out on my own hair. I'm gonna do it tonight, so I know how that feels if the customers use it. So it's like an experimentation. I brought it home. But yeah, that's where I keep my shampoo and stuff. And over here, you see the remnant on my soap. Now, it's kind of funny because, yeah, this is what happens eventually. They look like little pebbles, aren't they? Like, I'll take one of these, like, tiny little ones and I'll just wash them, which I think is fine. Like, I know there's, like, paper soap in the past. Like, there were, like, soaps where you can get them in, like, a paper form and use it. That's how I feel whenever I use those tiny soaps. But I'm gonna be out of those pretty soon, and when that happens, I'll just use, like, shampoo or something to wash my feet. Like, I don't care. I don't really need to soap my entire body. It's not a necessity for me. You can see my cherry shorts, hello. Yeah, and of course my razor, I have him, you know, hanging there so it dries nicely. And we'll move over here into my miscellaneous beauty item cabinet. Up here, yeah, just, you know, some Q-tip, nose strip. Oh, these are sewing kit, but whatever. Then my floss. I'm gonna use these up because they're a little bit bulky, and then I'll just go back to my regular string floss. So I didn't really need to use this because I got a bunch of these from work. Like, some dentist office always give those to me, so that's that. And then there's a deodorant. I'm almost out of it, but there's still a little bit left, so I just like try to use it up. Sunscreen, the cream for my hand because they're messed up. Lotion. Fragrant lotion if I feel fancy, and then, you know, there's my foundation. Actually, you ran out of my concealer, my portable concealer, so this is the only skin smoothing product that I have. So yeah, I'm gonna use this up like rigorously, and then I'll buy a concealer, and that'll be that. And there's of course my clear toothbrush, which I love, and my one toothpaste. And that's it. I'll do an outro now. Hi guys, so that was my entire average minimalist apartment tour. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching always, and I'll catch you guys next week. Bye!